Hi friends, so we're going to do a math lesson today and we're going to use our calendar, and if you were at Zoom today I told you about using the calendar for math today. Alright, so let's count the number of days in a week on our calendar. Alright, so we're going to count the number of days. So I'm going to point to the days, but we're going to count with numbers, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, don't worry about these numbers here. We're talking about how many days there are in a week. There are 7. Good. So how many days are in one row? 7, okay? Because there are 7 days in a week. All right. Does anybody know what days we don't have any school? What days of the week do we not have any school? All right, I bet some of you said Saturday and Sunday. I'm going to cross those off our list, okay? I'll cross them off our calendar. So let me put my X's up over Saturday and Sunday because we don't go to school on those days. There's still days, though. We can't get rid of them, but they're not going to count for what we're doing right now. Okay, now, how many days did we cross off? Okay, are we ready to count how many we crossed off? 1, 2. Okay, we crossed off this day and this day of the week. All right, so how many days do we come to school? Well, that's all the ones in the middle, so let's count those. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We come to school 5 days and we stay home 2 days. How many days are in a week again? Remember, we go to school for 5 and we stay home for 2. How many days does that make? Ooh, is somebody counting my fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. There are 7 days in a week, and we come to school 5 of those days. All right, let's take a look at what I sent home for you today. And let me scooch over. Let's see if you guys can see that okay. Oh, I may have put it a little too low. Let's try and scooch this up a little bit. Hold on, friends. I want the iPad to stand up just a little higher. All right, so these are our groups of, oops. These are our groupings that I sent home today. So let's count how many are in each group. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This group has 7. Let's try this group. Now there's different colors. This group has some different colors, but we're going to count them all together, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 again. How many blues were there in this group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, there are 6 blues. And how many of the purples? 1, and those make 7 altogether. All right, let's try this one. Let's count all of them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another group of 7. How many blues are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 blues. And how many purples? 1, 2. Yes, 5 and 2. And when you put them together, they make 7. All right, let's count all of these. How many do you think it's going to be? I don't know. If you guess this number, you might be right. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, these are all groups of 7. How many blues were down here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blues, and how many purples? 1, 2, 3. 3 purples, and they make 7 together. All right, friends, let me scooch back in. So we talked about the number 7 today and the different groups that make 7. We can have 7 as one group, or we can have a group of 6 and 1. That makes 7. Or we can have a group of 5 and 2. That makes 7. Or we can have a group of 4 and 3. And that also makes 7. All right, friends. Thank you for joining me today. Have a good day. Bye.